I have summoned this castle to all great monkeys, that my intelligence is beyond my years, and my wisdom is shown in my white beard. I have summoned you here to let you know that I have a deep revelation. I haven't thought about it lately, so I'm kind of preoccupied on this lovely day. But anyway, it's kind of nice to be in a cage and to think about heavy stuff. I am on a little crate here and I feel very powerful. Very powerful. Yes, very powerful. All the other monkeys look up to me. Yes, they look up to me. I'm hosting a late night show tonight, but unfortunately you won't be able to be here, so it doesn't make any sense. I don't feel any powerful anymore, so I'm gonna get off that crate and just walk around and not even look at the camera because I'm kind of depressed right now. Do you know if Dr. Phil's on right now? Alright, bye-bye.